Okay, so, whoa, that probably sounded bad. Okay, so I need a new computer. Why? Well, this one is about 8 years old now and doesn't really keep up with things. I'm gonna show you how bad it is to actually work on this machine. I've been thinking about doing this for a very long time already, that I need something better to edit videos with, because trying to edit a video in general, trying to do anything on this computer is a freaking nightmare. It's just getting slower and slower, of course, because it's getting older and older. Anywho, let me show you how long it takes me. Now it's currently shut down. Let me show you how long and what it looks like, my perspective, to actually try and do something on this computer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start up the Mac, and then I'm gonna open up the project that I need to work on today and show you how long it takes until I can edit something. So here goes. I'm gonna start the timer and yeah, power on. And I'll show you what it sounds like too. Don't worry, that's completely normal. I mean, every computer's supposed to do that, right? Right? Put that back on there. And now I'm gonna unclip this again so you can hear what the computer sounds like. So that's my girlfriend right there, and she's very happy because she's, you know, watching ducks in Amsterdam. Life's good. A couple of summers back. So yeah, while it might look like I'm good to go, I know there's a couple of things that it's still doing. A, from the sound, and B, because I haven't gotten a little pop-up window here yet. And it looks like it's trying to open up Safari as well. You can see that it's active, but nothing's popping up quite yet. So yeah, still gotta wait. However, I am gonna already try and open up Premiere. So clicking on Premiere, so I have my backup toolkit popped up. It's gonna take a while, that's gonna check for an update. Then it's gonna take forever up until I can close this window here. But I do have Premiere now starting up. And we're looking at 4 minutes currently. So that's... I don't know if you can see that from there. Five minutes have passed now. Still chugging away. Now I can close this. Yep. Premiere, not responding, so force quit. Try and open it again. And then it's gonna look through audio plugins. It's not gonna find it. It's gonna have an error. Then I need to shut that error, ignore it, and then open up a project. So we're at 6.5 minutes now. Seven and a half minutes. So yeah, now we have Premiere finally loading up, and we got the little window here, and we're looking at 9 minutes. And mind you, this is from startup to opening a project. If the computer is already on, this time gets cut down to a little bit less. It's not much better, but a little bit less. Okay, scanning audio plugins. And this is a thing that's going to take a little bit of time, and I know will fail. That's just a bug in Premiere itself. As much as I've learned. 11 minutes currently. Sorry, an error occurred. So now it's going to stop doing that. Need to wait until next pop-up window comes up, so I can ignore it. Look at 12 minutes so far. I mean, the noise doesn't bother me. I'm used to it over the years. But whenever I have friends who hear what this sounds like, they're horrified, especially those who are a bit more tech savvy and PC buildy than I am. There we go. Audio filter scan, quit unexpectedly, ignore. Now that's gonna close the scan. Very soon. Unable to load third-party audio plugins. That's fine. Okay. Now I can open a project. I'm gonna open the project that I need to work on now. So from the internal drive, where am I? The Celeste remake is the project that I need to work on. So I'm gonna stop this at the point where I can scroll through footage easily and edit it. Loading media. Still lagging a bit. Beach Ball of Doom. Undo that. Okay, well, it doesn't want to undo, so. Okay, well, that's fairly okay. It's still a bit laggy, but I can edit with that. So 17 minutes and 10 seconds. Currently, the computer sounds like this. It's still loading up. Because it's still, because it's still loading up some of the project files. But yeah, 17 minutes, 10 seconds. Imagine doing that every single time you had to edit something. So yeah, I need a new computer. Fortunately, we built one. I'm gonna finish setting that up, and then I'm gonna film me opening the exact same project as I just opened. I have this project saved at this point, so I'm gonna open it in this new machine, and we'll see how long a time it'll take there. Yeah. All right, so the moment of truth is here now. I have the computer set up and it's currently off. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna open up the exact same project. Stopwatch, there we go. Open up the exact same project as I did before, and we'll see how long it takes. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't. Oh, see, there's one thing that I forgot to do is, where's the power? There. Turn the power on. All right. Or, you know, the power switch on the back, turn that on. All right, let's try that again. So, here we go. In 1, a 2, a 3. So this is from startup all the way to getting Premiere up and running and that same project going. And this sounds like this in comparison to the other one. Oh, need to concentrate here. Wrote the password wrong, so that deducts a tiny bit. All right, current video projects. Celeste Remake and IP30 Base. And that's that. So my little fumble with the password and everything else, we're looking at 1 minute and 6 seconds. That's a solid 16 minutes faster than what I had with the Mac. That's insane. What the hell? Okay, yeah, so my new PC works pretty quick, and I'm now gonna go and edit some videos. Thank you very much for watching. This was pretty insane. I have a feeling that editing videos from now on will be a breeze, to say the very least. So, all right, see you guys in the next video. I hope you liked what you saw, so click like, subscribe, and that bell icon does help quite a bit, so smash that as well. Fairly new channel, is gonna be a lot of stuff going on over here. I'm gonna try and remain somewhat active on here. Hopefully this was, well, this was the last thing that I started filming with the old machine, but this is probably gonna be the first video that I edit on the new machine. So, my brains are freezing. That's a very good time to actually get out of here and see you guys in the next video. So, I've been Tomster, and you've been watching my video. Thank you very much for that. I will see you guys next time for a new video of tangents and buffoonery. Over and out.